Hey there, Uber Eats fan. Welcome back to the channel, your ultimate guide to navigating the Uber Eats experience. Today I am going to show you how to change or add a new password to your Uber Eats account using the website in a couple of minutes. Let's get started. Open your favorite web browser and go to Uber Eats website. Make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, click on to your profile icon. After going to 3 lines and clicking on manage account, then you will be guided to your account's info. Click on security option at the left corner and click on password. You will go to a page where you can put your new password in here. So we will just put it. Once you have confirmed your new password, click on update. That's it, your password has been successfully updated. Make sure you use your new password the next time you log in. Changing or adding a new password on Uber Eats website is quick and easy. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Got questions? Drop them in the comment below. Thanks for watching.